Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the falling broken tone in Vietnamese. So are you ready? Let's get started. You can notice that when someone speaks Vietnamese, they sound like a song. Why is that? Because in Vietnamese we have 6 tones. They are không dấu, without tone, dấu sắc, rising tone, dấu huyền, falling tone, dấu nặng, falling broken tone, dấu ngã, rising broken tone, dấu hỏi, falling air broken tone. Here I have a word with 6 different tones. Now let's hear how I pronounce these words. Ma, 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 ma. Again, ma, 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 ma. Now let's talk about dấu nặng, falling broken tone. Before talking about the falling broken tone, I want to make sure that you've watched my video about the falling tone. If you haven't watched this video, get the link in the description. Now let's continue to the falling broken tone. We are gonna start with a word without tone, that we are on the sol note. Then you have to make your voice a little bit lower to the do notes, like the falling tone. And the focal point here is you have to cut off the sound immediately. And at the moment you're cutting off the sound, you make the falling broken tone. So you begin with making your voice a little bit lower, then immediately cut off the sound by closing your vocal cords to make the falling broken tone. For example, here I have the word ca without tone. Now I'm gonna make my voice a little bit lower to the do notes. And we have the word ca, falling tone. Now I'm gonna say the falling tone again, then I'm gonna immediately cut off the sound to make the falling broken tone, like ca, ca. The moment I cut off the sound, I got the falling broken tone. Again, ca without tone, ca, falling tone, and ca, falling broken tone. Again, ca without tone, ca, falling tone, and ca, falling broken tone. Now let's practice saying the falling broken tone by saying the falling tone, then immediately cut off the sound by strongly closing your vocal cords. The moment you're cutting off the sound, you will get the falling broken tone. One thing I want to say about these falling broken tone is that the falling broken tone make the sound a little bit shorter. Let's take a look at the 3 tones. We have the word ca. The sound is very long. Ca. The sound is also very long. But the falling broken tone here we have ca, very short. Now let's try to say some paired words. The first word is with the falling tone, and the second one is with the falling broken tone. I want to say the words first, then you'll have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce these words. Ma, ma. Cò, cọ. Mờ, mợ. Đầu, đậu. Kiềm, kiệm. Đàn, đạn. Chạy, chạy. Tiền, tiện. Còng, cọng. Truyền, chuyện. Tập, chạy. Tập, đọc. Bộ, đội. Tập hợp. Cột điện. Lật đật. Lạ mặt. Nặng nhọc. Cập nhật. Now let's try to say some sentences with many of the following broken tone. We're going to do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm going to say the sentence very, very slowly. Then I'm going to do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm going to say the sentence with normal speed. Mẹ luộc 10 trứng vịt lộn. Now a little bit faster. Mẹ luộc 10 trứng vịt lộn. Now with normal speed. Mẹ luộc 10 trứng vịt lộn. Mạnh chạy bộ gặp chú bộ đội. Now a little bit faster. Mạnh chạy bộ gặp chú bộ đội. Now with normal speed. Mạnh chạy bộ gặp chú bộ đội. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.